Well, if you're anything like me, you're probably ferociously trying to figure out what the hell is happening with CCIV after hours. Oh my God! I'm sitting here Googling it. Let's Google it again. 2 hours ago, 1 day ago, 3 days ago, why Churchill Capital stock gained today. The Motley Fool article probably didn't drive the price up 15% after hours. Let's look at it. Let's look at the chart. I'm going to pull it up here quick. CCIV here. Guys, look at this. Look at this. After hours. Boom. It's still up 10% after hours. It's trading like crazy. Let's pull up the trading view chart so we can look at it here. So CCIV had a pretty darn good day, but now it is at all-time highs after hours. At $27.50, it got to a high of $29.15. My God, what's happening? Nobody seems to know. Everybody seems to be freaking out about it. I want to pull up the Twitter here because, and just pull up latest. People are like, oh my God, stop keeping us waiting. Any news is better than no news. If you don't tell us soon, you will lose customers, which would be a shame because I love your cars already. Don't blow this like Robinhood did with its customer base. I haven't read that yet. That's funny. But I think Moneybags24 is taking it a little too far. Just a little. I don't think anybody's going to lose any customers. But, guys, if you don't know what's happening with CCIV, okay, now we're 50 minutes into this video. Now I'll get to the point. I'm Richard Allen. I'm really excited about CCIV. If you don't know what's going on with CCIV, crawl out from under your rock. Get the GameStop and AMC news out of your head because CCIV is in rumors. It's just a rumor right now to be merging with Lucid Motors. Lucid Motors is a potential legit competitor to Tesla. And I know some of you guys, people cringe sometimes when they watch me, and that's okay. I'm cool with that. You can cringe all you want. But they are a legit potential competitor to Tesla. Here's the reason. The Lucid Air, the Dream version, is a beautiful car. And it's more efficient than the Model S. Not only is it more efficient than the Model S, the guy that created the Lucid Air Dream also created the Model S. So, is there real potential competition here with Lucid Motors? Absolutely. Now, when this news was announced, potential rumor was announced by Bloomberg, also the LA Times came out and made an article about it. So there seems to be some legit sort of rumors, right, on this subject. So people are really, really excited about this. You can see. And this tweet I just read, stop keeping us waiting. Any news is better than no news. I disagree. I think in this situation, no news is good. You know why? Because I feel like one of the companies, either Churchill Capital or Lucid Motors, would have come out and said, you know what? No, we're not going public via this SPAC. CCIV would say, no, we're looking at our options. Lucid is not in talks with us, right? That's what I think would happen. So what news is going on right now? I don't know, but it's back up to $27.61. Guys, this is really good stuff. It got over $29 for a little bit. I got really, really excited. I jumped in my Discord. I'm like, guys, somebody tell me what's going on with CCIV. Nobody knows. So therefore, there is no news, but I think no news is good news. I do want to jump through this Motley Fool article because it seems like a day of Motley Fool articles. Why not? It says why Churchill Capital stock gained again today. Rumors persist that the SPAC may merge with promising EV maker Lucid Motors. Shares of blank check company Churchill Capital 4 hit a new high today as investors continue to believe it will soon announce a merger with luxury EV maker Lucid Motors. So they had a good day. As of the close of business today, they were up 10% today. Now it's starting to come back to earth a little bit right now, but it did have a big jump. Rumor has it there were some big orders today. Like one order was in the $10 million realm. So very exciting volume for CCIV. It says here, it's not often that shares of a SPAC surge prior to any merger agreement being announced. But that's what's been happening with Churchill Capital since January 8th, when rumors began circulating that it may combine with Lucid Motors. Shares have soared more than 150% in that time. It's big, big stuff. They do have beautiful looking cars. They really, really do. And not only are they fantastic looking, they're more efficient than the Model S. What I mean is, you can get, look at this, battery range of up to 517 miles on the Lucid Air. Pretty sweet. Plus, they are developing an SUV model called Project Gravity. Guys, I'm excited for this SPAC. I know you can tell. I'm up about 60% so far from where I bought it. I bought in the 17s, somewhere around there. And I didn't put a ton of money towards it, but a good amount of money compared to what I have. So I'm excited for this company. I hope you guys are too. I think we're getting close to some real news on this. The biggest rumor surrounding this is that Lucid came out and said, look, hey, guys, we want to go public this year, and we want to do it by April. Now, if you know much about the traditional IPO route, Lucid Motors could go an IPO route, but it would be difficult for them to get everything in place to do a traditional IPO by April. So the quickest way for them to go public would be through a reverse merger with a company that is already public. In other words, CCIV or this special purpose acquisition company. So this is the most likely thing that will happen. Now, if the stock is running up this much, if there's this much exuberance and excitement for this company just because of rumors, what's going to happen when a real announcement occurs? What will happen? A lot of smart investors are buying this company based on these rumors because these rumors come from credible resources. So, what's going to happen? I think we're likely to almost certainly see $40 per share almost immediately after a merger is announced. Almost certainly. It could go even higher. I've seen estimates of upwards of $60 once we see a merger announcement. Guys, this could be one of the more exciting SPACs to be a part of. I want you guys to get this on your radar. I'm not telling you what to buy because I don't do that like some other YouTubers. I'm not going to tell you what to buy or where to buy or how to buy it because I'm not a financial advisor. So, but I would get this on your radar because I think it's an exciting opportunity that you might want to be a part of. So, thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. If you know of any news that I can't find on Twitter or the Google or wherever I'm looking, DuckDuckGo, asks Jeeves. Guys, I asked everybody. I can't find any news. Jeeves doesn't know anything about Lucid Motors and CCIV. He doesn't. Jeeves is a loser, people. So if you know anything about CCIV and Lucid, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. If you want to have a more intimate connection with me, you want to talk over on Discord, there's a link for my Patreon down below. I would love to have you over there. Again, it's limited spots. And then once those spots fill up, we're going to open it up for referrals and invitation only eventually. So get in before that happens. It's a great community. I hear from people every day that we're building a really, really great community over there. And I would love for you to be a part of it if you're serious about investing and trading and learning from some fantastic people, myself included. Way down on the rung. There's a lot of great investors over there, and I am learning from them as well. So thank you so much for joining me for another video. Again, I'm Richard Allen. If you didn't already do it, click that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.